Uba Thombor Shiwat Chief Executive Member bari Pedro Yakapla Tyngka ka Giant Hills Autonomous District Council JHADC hagasngis dang ka dorbar Mang Tyngka ka council hakar po 100 leber arajar pesan ula Wanrah da ka Mang Tyngka na ka bantau senam arajar pesan arajar rio ka batam ka Mang pelut pisar da Kyrwoh klur life arlak prapu prahajar life spa Tyngka ya ka Mang penmi pisar Kamang penmi pisa nek estimate receive kalong ars pa 100% klur kendai paulak 100% hajar kendai spa Tyngka kerba kamang pelut pisa nek estimated expenditure kalong ars pa 100 klur arpulai lak 100% hajar ars pa Tyngka. Uba Thombor Shiwat ulaong baka council kalala bansiw ya ketulap persakut khatsan benai bat ki allowance hadien ke jing pelat pisa na ka sarkar jela hau benai kelalengkot arjar pesan batla pauru hak revised estimate na ka bantau senam arjar pesau arjar pesan.
I would like to highlight here that the council's budget for this ensuing financial year 2025-26 bears an estimated receipt of rupees 245 crore 90 lakh 55,900 only, as against the estimated expenditure of rupees 257 crore 20 lakh 44,200 only, thus reflecting a deficit of rupees 11 crore 32 lakh 88,300 only. The detailed actual receipt and expenditure may be verified from the actual column of 23 and 24. With regard to the revised estimate in the current fiscal year 24 and 25, it may be noted that budget provisions were always for 12 months. However, on receipt of council dues from share on major result from the state government on January 25, the council cleared the outstanding amount of fees and allowance for the total of 15 months. Hence, additional expenditure for 3 months is reflected in the revised estimate of 24-25. The details of the expenditure can be verified from the supplementary demand for the year 24-25. Also, in the supplementary demand, the expenditure shown is of 4 months, 1 month being the salary for the month of September 2024, which is still under process by the Finance and Account Department and will be released shortly. It may be mentioned here that the annual revised pay of the council employees have been released up to 80% from the council own fund during this current financial year, that is 24 and 25. With regard to the central sponsorship, it may be mentioned here that during the current financial year 24-25, rupees 6,32,400 only received from Digital India Land Record Modernization Program. And from that and under the council could implement 422 schemes or projects in different localities of both East and West Territorial districts, such as road, drinking water, purchase of CIC, fencing, retaining wall, water park, etc. from the financial year 23-24. All the local members for their goodwill and cooperation to work shoulder to shoulder as a team in the interest and welfare of the country and the people of the nation. The proposed budget estimate for the financial year 25-26 is now placed for the deliberation of the House. With this reward, such concern, I wish you my
Habatin, pej bahagi kishap, kashap plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam Duna ki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashap plus F hakajingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la aikan diat bat ka bathau bha kam khta ka dur jingki marbam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki balehi banai kita kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka khia ka nutrition ba khambha ka jing im ba khambha pendon kam daki marbam modon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Wanrah shapi lingba ko office jong commissionerate of food safety Meghalaya